Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money on Discord. Let's begin. Making money on Discord typically involves leveraging its platform for community building, content creation, or providing services. Now, we are here to discuss some of the best effective ways to potentially monetize your account on Discord, alright? But the first thing you need to realize is that if you haven't already, is to create your first account here in Discord if you haven't, okay? So you have an option to go for the Discord Nitro, which is the Nitro Basics, where you can have 50 MB uploads, custom emoji anywhere, unlimited super reactions, and of course you have this special Nitro badge on your profile, or the simple Nitro, which you have 500 MB uploads, custom emoji anywhere, and HD video streaming, because we are going to make money on Discord, and that means we have to invest, right? Now, I need you to click the login button, but of course, if you haven't already, if you need an account, click the register option. Now, it's up to you on what name you're going to use here. Like in my case, I'm going to use this one, and make sure your name is available, and just follow the on-screen instructions. All right? Now, you might want to create a paid community and offer exclusive access to a Discord server or specific channels within it for a subscription fee. For example, in my case, I have the Andy Guide server, right? And I'm gonna upload some information here. Now, let me tell you that Discord is a powerful chat platform originally designed for gaming, but now it's been used by freelancers, company, and a lot more in recent years, and become a popular way of creating profitable subscription-based chat communities. Now, for you to be able to create a Discord group in literally 5 minutes, all right, the first thing that you need to do is to create a server of your own, all right? Now, for you to be able to create your own server, all I'm gonna do is hover to the left side panel and click on add a server. Of course, you can start a template, for example, and that's gonna be for a gaming community, because you are planning to build something for a subscription-based kind of platform. And you need to upload a very enticing image server. All right, let me click on it. Now in here, you need to create a certain kind of text channel. We're going to do that by clicking on this one. And this is very important, all right? You can put in like pay to access. All right. After that, it's a private channel, all right? Because all the selected members and roles will be able to view this panel, all right? After that, create a text channel, and after which, the next option that you're going to do is to allow limit to access to particular roles that you select, all right? For you to be able to do that, click on edit channel and put in roles here, permissions, okay? Now, as you can see, you have to make it. Now, go to the server settings. Because we are going to create roles, all right? Now, it's a very important, such as moderator, staff, and of course, the members. If you don't have one, you can create role. For example, we are going to give it like a premium. These are for the premium members. I'm gonna put in something like this one and save changes. Right? After that, the next thing that you need to do is to connect your Discord server to LaunchPass. Now, all I'm gonna do once you are here, LaunchPass is a paid chat community wherein it makes it easier for you to charge for access to Discord, Telegram, and Slack. But of course, we're choosing the Discord. All I'm gonna do is connect Discord at this point. and you need to follow the on-screen instructions. Now from here, all you have to do is select a specific server, and that's going to be how to make money on Discord, right? I need you to click on it, click on authorize, and just wait for it to load because it's setting up. Once you've done that, all you're going to do is select a certain community. For example, if that's going to be gaming. And after that, maybe it's about making money in Discord, right? Click on the ready for liftoff. And then after that, create your page, all right? Now, click on the what type of sign up page do you want to create, and that's going to be paid access, all right? After that, just follow the on-screen instructions. But you have to remember that since you are already charging people here on your paid server and community, you might want to put in another payment method for your Discord server or channel, all right? And the best way for you to accept money here on the Discord platform is use a platform called Zapier, because from here you can connect Discord to Stripe and automate any workflow and have all these endless possibilities. Just click on the connect these apps option, and what will happen is you would be asked to get into the Discord and Stripe. All you're gonna do is click on choose an event. For example, gonna be payment. And of course, Stripe will give that automation for you. All right. After you set the paid subscription in your basically payment method, it's for you to start your trial and share your page here in Discord. You can also offer services such as graphic design, coding, writing, or consulting through Discord, where clients pay for your expertise or deliverables. Now, one of the best platforms for you to create graphic design is Canva, and we have a separate video on how to make money on Canva, which is this one. You might want to check that on our channel. And of course, from there, you can also run some game servers or have virtual items for sale within games supported by Discord. Now, the thing is, when creating money on Discord or monetization strategy, you need to comply with the Discord's term of service and guidelines, especially regarding payment processing and user privacy, because using bots and integrations can streamline payment processing and access management, making it easier to run a profitable Discord community or businesses. All right, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one. And before I forgot, if you're also interested in how to earn more money on Discord, you might want to check on this community help guideline. And I wanted you to read and understand all of the information here on this specific page, right? It's more about the Creator Academy and the Server Subs 101 that they are offering. It's free resources anyway, so you might want to check that out. As you can see, there's a lot that you can get from here. All right, Creator 2, Server Admin 201. Okay, and that's it. See you in the next one. Peace.